First up right now at 5 o'clock, the FDA could give its final approval of Pfizer's COVID vaccine anytime right now, and hospitals here in Connecticut are not wasting any time.
Tonight, we're getting an inside look at their plans to administer the vaccine. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is outside St. Francis Hospital and Medical Center in Hartford. Mike, how quickly will we see people getting actually vaccinated?
Well, Irene, if the FDA approves that vaccine today or even tomorrow, Hartford Healthcare says that they plan to start vaccinating their workers Wednesday. But here at St. Francis, they have an even shorter time frame, telling reporters today that they could be giving vaccines as early as Monday.
The question that we've been getting, and rightfully so, is what's the next step?
Doctors with Hartford Healthcare and Trinity Health of New England sharing details of their vaccination plans. Both expect to receive vaccines at their Hartford hospital campuses this weekend. From there, doses will be shipped to their other locations. Both networks expect roughly 2,000 doses in the first shipment and will start with high-risk medical workers.
There is a noticeable pep in everybody's step over the last 7 to 10 days.
It's not clear how many doses will be available in follow-up shipments, but St. Francis says they have a freezer big enough to hold 3 million doses.
Vaccines are not effective until they are in people's arms.
At the same time, hospitals are also ramping up their education efforts. Staff surveys for both Trinity Health and Hartford Healthcare show 60% of their staff willing to take the vaccine now. Doctors expect similar reluctance among the public.
This is a new process. This is a different process.
Both healthcare networks plan to work with community leaders to try and build public trust. They also say the vaccine is not a magic bullet, despite the optimism. It will take months at least to vaccine enough people for herd immunity, and experts still don't know if that's enough.
Until we have vaccinated enough people to achieve herd immunity, we must remain vigilant in the necessary safety precautions.
Now, Senator Blumenthal said today that he's even willing to be first in line to take it. That's how confident he is in the safety of this vaccine. He's also pushing for $8.4 billion to help get this vaccine out and get the public educated. I'll have more on that coming up on Eyewitness News at 6. For now, live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.